Hello and welcome, guys, and welcome to yet another live session. And yes, I came to know that in earlier days, CMA course used to have a subject called engineering. Yes, engineering was part and parcel of CMA syllabus. So CMA students used to study a subject called engineering in their curriculum. They had to pass that paper to become a CMA. Now you'll ask me, and even I asked the person who told me that, what is the relevance of engineering with CMA? Yes, there is a grave relationship between engineering and CMA. Guys, the idea behind cost and management accountants, or the earlier known as cost and works accountant, emanated from engineering. Yes, engineering field was actually popular for recruiting cost accountant, so that cost accountant can find out the cost of a particular component, of a particular product, of a particular service, and cost accountant can find the price behind it. And yes, to determine the selling price of that particular product, again a cost accountant was required. So engineering had always a great relationship with CMA. Subsequently, over the years, CMA Institute thought it prudent to exclude this engineering paper from their curriculum. But yes, even now, there are several engineers who do CMA, who are practicing engineering, but they do CMA after doing their engineering to help in their professional pursuits. And today, I have one such rank holder, one such my student who has secured All India rank 30th. And yes, he is an engineer, a mechanical engineer. So round of applause for CMA Parth Maheshwari. He is also an engineer. He's completed his engineering and then he moved to CMA. So Parth, my first question to you is, we are astonished. I have never met this kind of a combination wherein mechanical engineer has thought about doing CMA. What was the motivation behind doing CMA after mechanical engineering?
Yeah, sir. First of all, I am very obliged to come into your live channel. It is a very pleasure. I had always watched your videos, so coming in your videos was one of a dream come true. So thank you for your service which you are providing to the students, like the quick updates, the quick short videos. It is very beneficial for everyone. So, sir, coming to your question, so sir, I would like to keep it simple that during my engineering days, there were we had a fully flexible credit system, so we could take any subjects which we would like. So during my engineering days, I had taken a subject cost accounting. So gradually over the period of time while studying the subject, I had developed an interest in that field. So I inquired about the potential courses which could offer me a costing background. Like I wanted to inquire and know more about it because I found it very relative to my mechanical field. For example, one such field is a quality analyst or the quality profile in an industry, in a manufacturing industry especially. You can't compromise on the quality of the product, as well as you have to keep the cost as well as intact. So here the here I personally feel that a cost accountant and an engineering both requires and both plays a major role for that. So this was the idea behind me taking the CMA courses, CMA course, and it was very pleasant experience. And till now, I'm very satisfied with the course, and it has added value to my overall profile, and I'm very keen to learn more about the practical exposure and the practical experience which I would get while working in the industry.
Great, Parth. So yes, that was the first and foremost question which came to my mind. And now coming back to the victory, the achievement, the milestone which you have got, AIR 30th, All India rank 30th in CMA final. How does it feel?
Sir, it was a dream come true. Right from my engineering days, I had dreamt of achieving an AIR, but unfortunately, I couldn't due to some of the reasons. But in the back of my mind, I already had that I want to achieve something known as All India rank because during my IIT days, people used to fight for All India rank one, then only they
Yes,
get into IITs. So I
yes.
had in the back of my mind, I need to score some AIR. So this was a dream come true and more of a emotional relief for me which I had carried all the way.
Emotional relief.
Yeah, for me, coming this background, and it has
Yes.
I'm like very obliged with the course and the value it has created in me. uh, can't I'm very thankful to the CMA Institute for that.
Great. So, Parth, had you scored a rank in your foundation and inter as well?
Sir, coming to your question, in foundation, I just prepared my examination for 15 days, because math subject, because there are subjects like mathematics which I don't need to study because it is covered in engineering. Just the
Right.
accounts part and the basic part I did, and it cleared in the first attempt, but I didn't score a rank. Coming to the intermediate, sir, I had being from an engineering background, I had exemption in two subjects, that is operation management,
Okay.
strategic management. So yeah,
Yes.
rank was not possible that time.
And
But
which other subject? OMSM and which other subject?
law and ethics.
Law. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So yeah,
Hmm.
so rank was not possible at that time. But yeah, almost exemption was there in every subject.
Hmm.
And coming to the course final, I had always dreamt that I would finish this course with a victory and something like I want to cherish for the rest of my life. So
Yes.
this was the final moment and a nail in the coffin which I could put, and that was the thing, that AIR 30 was a gift.
Absolutely, absolutely. You have ended it superbly. There couldn't have been a better way to end it. There couldn't have been a better choice than getting an AIR in your CMA final. So many, many, many congratulations, Parth. So moving
Thank you,
on,
sir.
my subscribers are eagerly waiting for certain tips, certain strategies, the way you studied, the resources which you used, study material which you used, how many hours of study a day, etc., etc., etc. You know all the standard questions the students have. I would like to ask you what was the winning strategy?
Sure, sir. Sure. Sir, coming to your questions, like I want to mention that I'm a working professional as well. I'm working in Tata Consultancy Services as a software
Oh,
engineer. So,
okay.
so yeah. So I got a 3 month compensation period, like in which my employer asked me that I could do it overtime the next of the 3 months. So
Hmm.
during the last 3 months, I had that period. So I kept it reserved like that way. So initially, my preparation started in March. So I took one of the subjects at a time, and the initially I was very confused. So I had a call with you. I talked to you whether I should go for both groups or single groups, but you motivated me saying that you should definitely appear for both the groups. There is no harm in taking both the groups because if you can fight for that. So I'm very thankful for that, that I listened to you. Uh, so for the first 6 months, I had prepared specifically. My target was to complete the portion, and I had like seeing the portions for final coming from intermediate to final. The portion is very drastically changed. The books are very much bigger and like uh,
Right,
it
right.
yeah, it was very like I thought that I would take a year to complete the subjects. So and myself being a working from a working background, so I thought that it might take a year for me. But then I eventually I got work from home, so I could spend those hours studying. So I targeted only a single day plan for that. That like
Hmm.
today I would study this subject, tomorrow I would study this. I had an overall map as how I will proceed. But taking a single step at a day, I found that I had achieved the thing which I had decided that I would achieve 6 months later. I had achieved it in 5 months. So I had 1 month
Hmm.
extra for revision. So that was a
Hmm.
very nice like approach which I had taken for that. Um, yeah.
So, how many hours a day is required to be studied by a student to score a rank?
Yeah, so for the initial 6 months, I had studied approximately 5 hours regularly. Be it
Okay.
anything going on in the news, like the coronavirus is coming, the coronavirus is
Uh,
gone, like the cases are
uh,
increasing. I was
hmm.
studying regularly, constantly, consistently. So yeah, sir, my dedication was there that I had to do it this time because I had a mind like whether I should go for one. But when I decided that I should appear for both the groups, then there was no turning back and no seeing back. So
Right,
yeah,
right.
that was the thing. So initially 5 hours to 6 hours for 6 months, and the last 3 months were nine. I studied approximately 9 to
Absolutely.
10 hours. Yeah.
Right, right. That is bare
So
minimum which is required for CMA
yes,
final.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great.
So, sir,
So,
in the last 3 months,
yes.
like I had done my revision also 2, 3 times for certain subjects, and four, 5 times for certain other subjects. Like
Right.
yeah, law,
Hmm.
the part which require more of retention. Like
Hmm.
I had studied that for a longer time.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. So, Parth, which study material or what kind of resources did you refer to while doing your studies? And you might have made some mistakes. So, what are those mistakes which you would forbid the future CMA students to commit? And what were the resources which came handy for your preparations?
Yeah, sir. Sir, coming like I had faced my intermediate and I had no proper guidance with me. Like, but when I saw your channel, I found that this is the guy which I can look up to. So I called you. I called you randomly. I asked for suggestion as to how to begin preparing. So it was a very pleasing and soothing moment for me that yeah, it is achievable. Nothing is like hard or anything of that sort. So
Hmm.
yeah, sir. Means like, but the thing is that consistently I was studying and I was preparing for the subject, and like for the subjects especially which requires retention memory, I had
Hmm.
made what for example, I'm talking about each and every subject. For law,
Hmm.
law,
Hmm.
I had made voice clips, my personal voice clips, which I
Hmm.
used to keep. I used to plug my earphones in my mobile, and
Right.
whenever I go for a walk or I'm in the gym, I used to
Right.
listen to my own voice clips. So
Oh.
law was completed in that manner. Uh,
Hmm. Hmm.
for sir, for other subjects, the practical subjects, I had a dedicated slot. Like whenever I was about to like it was about to get the sleeping time, or so I decided that I will keep my practical subjects during that time, so that I could
Hmm.
effectively finish it. And
Hmm.
coming to sir, strategic performance management, which are your subjects. So I had taken as you know that I have taken both the classes from you. So sir, I had taken your classes in intermediate as well. But sir, coming to the final, I found that your classes are very useful, and the study material is very precise. Like it
Hmm.
doesn't consist of any extra questions or extra things. It is apt for the syllabus. So that's because of you, it was possible to score 89 marks in
Oh,
in
yes, 89 marks, Parth. I mean, this is wonderful, wonderful. Touching
yeah,
anything around 90 is actually a very big thing in a professional examination. And yes, you
yeah,
have done it. Great.
yeah. Thank
So,
you.
Parth, any tips for the upcoming June 21 examination students who are yet to appear in June 21? Any tips which you would like to give to them?
Yeah, sir. I want to give certain tips to them. That keep your material constant. Don't jump onto the materials which are available. Like I should study from this. Like one material should be there, and that study
Yes,
material should be that. That should be enough. Like people are going
yes,
for multiple material and they are getting ultimately confused. So I would
right,
not recommend to jump to that material. Like take a subject, take a perfect material, reference material, take a study material. That would be enough. I think
right.
the second suggestion I would
Mm,
like to give that during July when I had for a few of my lectures, I had my mobile with me when I was watching the lectures. So what happened that ultimately when I revised back the subject, I forgot everything. So the main reason that I was having the phone, I was thinking that I'm able to get everything, I'm able to understand everything. But at the moment, I was understanding everything. But later on, when I took my books for revision, I found that I have forgot everything. So that is
right,
one of the suggestion I want to give, that please keep your social media and this all this mobile distraction away for at least like whatever time you have remaining. So
correct,
that is the major point. And the third point is that
correct,
people are getting disturbed, like and they are constantly messaging me like whether the exam should be online, offline. Yeah, I
right.
agree that means like students, there is a change in pattern of the study, but like we should
Yes,
more focus on the content of the content and the concept part.
yes,
If you have the concept
yes,
part clear, then maybe they take it online or offline. It eventually
yes,
doesn't matter. But coming as a
correct,
student, like they need the clarity of mind, so that
correct.
we could prepare accordingly. So that is the thing. And one more suggestion I want to give, that be it any day, if you're feeling low, if you're feeling that I don't want to study, it's okay. Take a time, go away, go for a walk.
Right,
But at least,
right.
and after coming back,
Take
just
a day off.
yeah, take a day off. Like that would be great. And
Hmm.
then the next day decide that I would be back, and don't put a guilt for that, that I had taken a day off, my days went.
Yes,
So these are the experiences which I am sharing, which I felt. So I found that
yes,
there was no one in intermediate, there was no one guiding me. So I found these are the circumstances like which are normal people face. But and
correct.
I would also add, like if there are any teachers or mentors which you could talk to. So if you are like I had you, sir, I called you many times during my tenure. So like if any of the teachers you are comfortable with, talk to them at least instead of getting wasting time on social media, as this becomes an addiction in the long term. And if even
Correct.
if you're not if even if you're thinking that I'm searching on the mobile only for 10-15 minutes, but ultimately it uh, diverts you from the core concept what you are
Absolutely.
focusing on, and ultimately it would not give you the fruitful result, and at the end of the day you would realize that I had not effectively studied what I should have done. So yeah,
Correct.
yeah, I feel that way.
Correct. Absolutely right. Rightly said. Social media, if you think that I'll just check the phone and be back, don't think that you've just wasted 2 minutes of your time. Think that you have disturbed your mind for at least next half an hour. Your half an hour, mind will be bothered, mind will be puzzled because of those 2 minutes of watching the mobile phone. Very well said, Parth, and very important point which have highlighted, Parth. So, Parth, now coming on to you. Enough of us. Now it's today is your day. Coming on to you. What are your future plans?
Sir, thank you for asking the question, sir. Like as of now, I'm setting for the campus placements and looking for any opportunities which come my way. I'm looking for any
Right,
challenging role like which could bring the best out of me. That is the techno
right,
domain as well as the commercial domain.
right.
I want to work in this field as I think I could be a better fit in this that position. And moving on to 5 or 6 years later, I'm planning to be an entrepreneur so that I could
Wow,
provide jobs for everyone and like
fantastic.
work towards the benefit and betterment of humanity. That is what I
Perfect.
ultimately want.
Beautiful, beautiful thought, and may God bless you in this role. And of course, if your intentions are right, I've always seen that if your intentions are right, if your intentions are pious, if you are true to yourself, then undoubtedly you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve. And Parth, from my entire channel, from all the subscribers, all the very best for your future. May you achieve pinnacle of success, zenith level of success, and may you achieve whatever you want in your life. Of course, you have achieved one big dream, which is dream of everyone getting an AIR rank. You've achieved that. That is again a big thing. But in future, let this journey continue. Let this the speed which has been taken up. Let this accelerate. Let this zoom and boom. And yes, you are going to achieve heights in your career. All the very best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And sir, from the CMA fraternity and the CMA students, I would like to thank you for your guidance and timely support, sir. It is
My
very
duty.
boosting and motivational for people. Like if I am getting motivated, then I believe that everyone in the CMA fraternity would get motivated with that. So, sir, it is a very
My pleasure.
noble cause which you are doing. So I'm very like it is very much motivating for others also to come and join this. And like, yeah, thank you,
My
sir.
pleasure, Path, and I find it as my duty. And just like you said, find a mentor. All my subscribers already have a mentor. They can call me anytime, they can message me anytime. Yes, I might not be able to reply instantly, but I'll eventually call up, I'll eventually message them, and I'll eventually get to their rescue within no time. So that is a commitment from my side in front of Parth to all of you. So, guys, let's wish Parth all the very best for his future career. Parth, we would like to see you again back on this channel after you become an entrepreneur, and I'm taking an interview with you, asking you about your entrepreneurship journey and your role in your organization and what amazing things are you doing. So, all the very best, and we'll meet again.
Sure, 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 sure. Thank you,
Okay,
thank you,
Parth. Congratulations once again. Bye bye.
thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Guys, that was Parth Maheshwari for you, AIR 30. And yes, you've seen the humility which he had in himself, the down to earth attitude which he had in himself, the purity of soul, the purity of his intentions were very clear from his words and from his eyes. Guys, this is the secret recipe to success in anything you do. Now I've told you the secret ingredient of success. Try and apply it in your life, and I'm very sure that you are going to get whatever you desire and whatever you deserve. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.